What's up, y'all? This is the video we have all been waiting for. The return of the one and only two-wheel drive green bean rancher. We have the 32-inch Aztecs on. If you don't believe they're 32s, you wrong, son. We trimmed the floorboards a little bit just because it was rubbing when people sat on the back, so we trimmed them there and all that. Trimmed the support wheels, we cut it off. This is the front view. This thing is a beast. It's just slanted because I'm on a hill. Took the nitrous bottles off because got tired of the blue look and I just wanted to go clean and simple. Rubber ducky's back, light bar still on, dry box. We got them full send mud straps. Shout out to FT Mike. Full sends for getting that to me. Honda boats, plate, Pelican, 1050 or however you say it, 1050. Mud shark, rag kit. Deuce's thing will be on tomorrow. Y'all don't have to worry about that as much as y'all complain about it, just because it's rust from it being on there. And I'm putting it back on because I can't forget about Deuce. I'm running no gear reduction right now. They pull fine for now. I'm not going to keep them on too long if it starts to struggle and my clutches don't like it. We have the Honda boats tag back here, stock exhaust. For all of you wondering what lift setup I got, 2-inch Super ATV lift, spray painted it black just because I wanted to match more instead of being silver. Shocks maxed out, that's all I got, as you can tell back here. Just changed the rear diff fluids, all the fluids are changed. You know, that's new. These are SRA wheels, so they stick out just as far as the front tires. So no need for spacers. I'm not gonna run spacers. The winch kind of passed away. They don't want to work no more. So I just got it curled up in there. Taking it off probably next month around my birthday. And I'm taking it off and I'm buying a KFI 3,500 pound synthetic rope winch that bolts up right to the winch mount. Just cause I thought it looked good. For all y'all that asked what my headlights, it's like VHT nightshade, I believe, or D something. Black spray paint 10. It was spray on 10. I got it maxed out. I believe it was this one right here. I had to spray tint it once again because it's gonna stick good the first time. I traded the 28s for these. Had to add a little bit of cash. It was definitely worth it. Shout out to my boy Grayson for getting these to me. I love them. Definitely ride smoother than Outlaw 3s. This is probably one of the smoothest riding mud tires other than the front line, if you ask me, that I've ever seen. So yeah, I guess I'll get on it, do a little start up, drive it around a little bit for y'all. It's a little bit hot because it ain't been raining a minute. And I just put it back on. Good to see the fan still works. And I might have to replace the coolant because it might get hot fast because I think water got in there. So I'm going to replace the coolant pretty soon probably. But I ought to be fine. See how the fan turned off? It just does it a little bit. And it's also like 108 right now. It's just starting to cool down. But as you can tell, the handlebars don't shake near as much or the snorkel. It rides definitely a lot smoother. That's the winch. I'm also ready to get rid of that mount. The KFI one has a way smaller mount. But I'm just in love with this thing right now. I just love the way it looks with these 32s. Can't wait to get Deuce's thing on. And the creek is completely dry right now. Like, there's no water in it. I will show y'all probably tomorrow. Reason I'm not making a video today with the GoPro is because it's pretty late. I got school tomorrow. And it took us longer than I thought it would. So I'm just recording on the iPhone for now. But yeah. Y'all go sub to the gaming channel. Thank y'all for 1K subscriber stream. I doubt it'll be tonight because it's late. Probably Friday night. I'll be up all night, close to it. Or sometime later this weekend tonight. But yeah, if y'all think I need to change the coolant, y'all let me know because I will. But I think I'll be fine. It's just kind of doing this right now because it's probably pretty hot. But yeah, I'll see y'all in a little while. Peace out. Thanks to this ugly dude right here, my dad, for helping me. He's gonna try and do something stupid to show out to the camera. And yeah, peace out.